I'm Tim Carstens, the Managing Director of Based Resources, the developer and operator of the Kwale Mineral Sands project in Kenya. Yeah, we're the developers and operators of the Kwale Mineral Sands project in Kenya. We've been in operation for just over 3 years now. It was our first and Kenya's first large-scale mining project, so we've not just been building a company, we've been contributing to the development of a mining industry in a country that really has no history of mining on a large scale. We're one of the most profitable mineral sand operations in the world. We're perfectly positioned, we think, to capitalise on what's an emerging upswing in the mineral sand commodity price environment, I should say. We've been working really hard over the last 2 years to get our operation humming the way it is now. We're setting production records quarter on quarter. Got it at a very stable, steady state, very strong cost control culture in the organisation that's enabled us to achieve a revenue to cash cost ratio of around 2 to 1, which is at the very top of the pile in a year that has been pretty challenging for our sector. That's seen us in really good shape to look to capitalise on what comes next in our market. We've seen a bit of an upswing in mineral sand prices. We've established ourselves as the largest single importer of ilmenite into China. So we're well positioned from a market perspective. Operationally, we're sound, generating good cash flow and really in a position to capitalise on that upswing. Yeah, look, as I said, I think one of the major achievements over the last 12 months are the significant inroads we've made on debt repayment, and we will continue to bite deeply into that over the next 12 months as our cash flow continues to improve with the market. We've achieved record production again in the September quarter, and we're well on track to achieve our guidance for the year, which was another lift from where we were last year. Yeah, and the expansion of exploration tenure for us is a significant thing. We were granted an expanded exploration footprint in June this year, and we're about to start an exploration program which we think should be able to yield mine life extensions. We're really looking to expand our investment audience. We're listed both in Australia and the UK, and have done quite a lot of work in developing our relationships in both of those markets. Obviously, being an Australian company, that's where we started, but we've been developing the UK market and starting to get some real traction there, particularly over the last 6 months or so. Haven't done much in Asia, and we saw one-to-one as a real opportunity to reach out to a section of the investment community that we haven't really spent a lot of time on, and get that story out there and hopefully get people recognising the value that we think we represent.